Today, we will cook a hash brown with egg and bacon. Pero may twist. Lalagyan natin ng spinach to make it healthy. Okay, let's go! In doing our dish today, syempre kailangan natin ng ingredients. So, we have here the onions, butter, we have the pepper, our egg, honey, we have our olive oil, salt, our paprika, our, with a twist tayo so we have spinach, 50 grams, and syempre, ang ating potato. It should be shredded potato. So, hash brown ay nagsimula as an American breakfast. It started noong 1890. Nag-introduce ang hash brown and from then on, naging hot American breakfast na ang hash brown. So pag umorder ka sa fast food, sa hotel, hash brown is sought after breakfast menu. Pepper, then salt, then we'll have paprika, parang wala na naman to. Yan, meron pa naman. Okay, then you have to squeeze. Kasi kailangan natin maging dry yung ating potato. Pag dry siya, mas crispy, mas maganda yung magiging golden brown. So we have to squeeze potato. Tanggalin natin yung juice. Make it dry. So, squeeze mo lang ang potato hanggang mawala yung kanyang excess juice or fluid. So, isipin mo lang may kaaway ka habang i-squeeze mo ito. To add flavor, you should add the onion. Salt. Green pepper. Talagang konti lang green pepper natin. Bit of salt. Ay, pepper pala. Napalit ko ang pepper sa salt. Again. You mash it and squeeze. We'll add a little of spinach to make it a healthier dish. So again, squeeze, mash them. We'll add a little bit of olive oil. We will flat the potato sa pan. We will use our hands. Here. And both sides. kailangan mag golden brown yung ilalim niya. Pag golden brown na siya, we will turn it on the other side. Usually, it will take 15 minutes. So, hindi natin siya gagalawin for 15 minutes until mag-golden brown ang ating shredded potato para maging hash brown. Okay, 15 minutes. So, 15 minutes. Hintayin natin ng 15 minutes each side para mag-golden brown yung potato. And then while waiting for this, mag-honey glaze tayo ng bacon for the toppings. So we will now caramelize the bacon. So first, we have to put the olive oil. We have the brown sugar. Salt. Pepper. And look at the caramelized bacon. So, na-flip na natin yung hash brown to the other side. So, as you can see, golden brown na siya. So, we will wait for another 15 minutes para maging golden brown yung other side. Ang hash brown has 320 calories per 100 grams. And that 320 kilocalories has 32 grams of carbohydrates. May protein din siya and may fats. So, dapat pag nag-take ka ng ng hash brown, it should be mga 25 to 30 grams lang per serving. So, hintayin lang natin maging golden brown yung other side. Pero dapat mabilis siya, 15 minutes. Kasi baka maubos ka papapak yung bacon. So, we will put the egg sa ibabaw ng ating we will put now sa oven for 6 to 8 minutes. Pero lagyan natin ng toppings na konti. Excited na ako. Nagutom na ako. Excited ka na ba? Silipin natin.
A few moments later.
So I guess naluto na ang ating hash brown. So kunin natin sa oven. Lumabas na po sa oven ang ating hash brown. Time na para ilagay natin ang ating caramelized bacon. Pasensya na po kayo sa itlog. Basag ang itlog. Nabasag yung isang itlog. Basag ang pula. So we will now add toppings of bacon around. So this is now our hash brown served with egg, with caramelized bacon, and with a twist of spinach. So, kain tayo. Pwede tayong kumain. The best. Ito ang pinakamasarap na hash brown na natikman ko. Promise, masarap talaga siya.